Ruby was a small, fluffy rabbit who lived with his kind grandmother in a cozy burrow near the forest. One bright morning, Ruby felt very excited. "Grandma, can I go to the vegetable farm to collect some vegetables for us?" he asked eagerly. Grandma looked at Ruby with a soft smile but also a little worry. "Ruby, you are very small," she said gently. "Will you be safe on your own?" "I'll be very careful, Grandma. I promise," Ruby said, hopping with excitement. After thinking for a moment, Grandma nodded. "All right, Ruby. But be sure to come back before the sun goes down and don't wander too far." Ruby jumped with joy. "Thank you, Grandma." He picked up a little basket and set off. The path to the vegetable farm was magical. Ruby hopped through a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers. He stopped to sniff the roses, played hide and seek with the daisies, and even chased some fluttering butterflies. The sun was shining, and Ruby felt very happy. Soon, he reached the farm where the vegetables were grown. Ruby's eyes went wide with amazement. There were rows and rows of cabbages, bright red tomatoes, orange carrots, and many other vegetables. "Wow," Ruby said aloud. He hopped over to the carrots first. With his little paws, he plucked a few fresh, crunchy carrots. Then, he picked some juicy red tomatoes. He also added some green beans, a small cabbage, and a handful of leafy greens to his basket. When the basket was full, Ruby looked at his collection and felt very proud and happy. "I can't wait to show Grandma," he said, smiling. Carrying the basket carefully, Ruby began his journey back home, his heart full of joy and excitement. Ruby the rabbit came home happily from the vegetable farm, carrying his little basket full of fresh vegetables. "I've got so many fresh vegetables today," Ruby said to himself, smiling. He carefully placed all the vegetables on the table. There were carrots, tomatoes, capsicums, turnips, and many others. Ruby started sorting them one by one, making sure everything was neat and tidy. "Now, I need to wash them properly," he said. Ruby filled a small bucket with water and began washing each vegetable. First, he washed the carrots, scrubbing them gently until they looked shiny and clean. Then, he cleaned the tomatoes, rubbing off all the dirt. After that, he washed the capsicums, turnips, and the rest of the vegetables until everything sparkled. When the vegetables were clean, Ruby filled a big pot with water and put it on the stove to warm. He carefully picked up a small knife and began cutting the vegetables. First, he chopped the carrots into neat little pieces. Then, he sliced the capsicums, followed by the turnips and tomatoes. Ruby worked slowly and carefully, making sure everything was just right. Once the vegetables were ready, Ruby added them to the warm pot of water. He stirred the soup with love, adding a pinch of salt and some herbs. The kitchen soon filled with a wonderful smell as the soup cooked. Finally, the soup was ready. Ruby poured it into a big bowl and carried it carefully to the living room. "Grandma, come and see what I've made for you," Ruby called out. Grandma came into the room, her eyes lighting up when she saw the steaming bowl of soup. "Oh, Ruby, you made this all by yourself?" she asked, smiling proudly. "Yes, Grandma. I made it with love just for you," Ruby said, handing her the bowl. Grandma took a sip and smiled. "This is the most delicious soup I've ever had."